Jahan, so your Master IELTS trainer. Hope you are enjoying the classes of IELTS on YouTube. So today the main purpose to make up this video is to announce you the crash courses with 100% cash back facility. You have not heard so kind of online coaching so far, and this coaching is of course online as well. So all my valued subscribers, listen attentively how the course will be done online. It's the first time that this course has been designed, crash course, and this course is for maximum 10 days. Those students who are going to appear in the examination, I mean it, this course will really assist you and a backbone for you to get 7+ band. Yes, this course is designed for also those who are already at the advanced level. This is not the course for beginners. If you are going to appear in the next 10 days, this course really will help you. So every day, I'll spend 1 hour to teach you online. You can also watch me, even me too can. So this is one of the perfect, coaching online through my own application. Of course, you will be assisted for it. The course is very at a nominal cost so that students who are sitting at home can enjoy this online coaching by sitting at home. So of course, you will be given tricks. Every day I teach you one type and thereafter exercise plus 40 questions of mock test in reading and listening will be delivered to you also. 4 modules ends what I will teach you in rest of the modules. In this course, you will come to know about the vocabulary part of it. Of course, idea generation. No doubt, tricks of every reading, writing, listening and speaking so that you can do the best. Now, for this course, let me announce you the reward as well. What is that reward? What I teach you, suppose I am teaching you reading and writing or listening. If you are getting 7 band, what I am teaching you in that particular subject, whatever you would pay, the whole amount will be refunded to you. So this is called cash back. There is no any hidden cost and question mark. So what I'm announcing, that suppose you are going to appear and you are doing practicing on reading, writing, listening and speaking. If you're getting 7 each, or if you are getting 7 band in reading or writing, of course the whole amount, whatever you pay, that will be given back to you. That is a cashback facility as well. So the students in a group remain 15 to 20 students. This is what is the whole way of teaching, and the cost is very nominal. You see that as I stop speaking, you will see the slideshow of the crash course and live classes also. So it is not more than 1500 rupees. Of course, 10 days, every day the class will be so that you can perform the well. And it is my privilege and honor also that if you score band equivalent to 7 each or into module 7, if you are getting, amount will be refunded. Hope that you will like this video, you will share your friends, and hope if you want to join, comment if you want to join, or WhatsApp. Of course, you can send WhatsApp on 708 100 1001. So this is the WhatsApp number. Send your message over here if you want to join. The classes will be going to start with effect from 22nd of July. 22 जुलाई से क्लासेस शुरू होंगी. So this is the way that what is going on and what is being taught in you. Hope that you have got the whole information. Of course, subscribe and like. Do not forget to like my video so that you will get the notification also by hitting on the bell icon as well. Right, anything you want to know, always welcome, always welcome. Bye bye, take care, and waiting for your joining. Thank you.